Velodie T. Newmarket VM paired with full sister to 150 level horse. Sire Newmarket VM is making a strong impression in young horse and stallion competitions under the saddle of Fabienne Lichtenfort Katz. He also made a promising start in breeding, as he already produced striking offspring at the mare inspections. Velodie T was bred out of the 135 level jumping mare Velodie T, who is a full sister to the 150 level show jumper Diamond, ridden by Taiso Sukitami. This versatile Dutch dam line has produced several sport horses, and in the second generation, the Grand Prix sport and breeding stallion Ukato brings in his genetics.